Hi my friends, it's Ian again. I'm just making a remake of a video that I did yesterday because Martin has simplified it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to click on to this one. This is the one that we used yesterday. This link here has been promoted quite heavily and it's got 7,439 hits to it. Okay, or shows, hits, shows, whatever. So if we click on the stats, okay, then I can bring this to the center and we can scroll down and you can see here, just like that. So you can see how many hits that this particular link has had over the last 7 days. Okay, so today, yesterday's, and 6 days ago. So 6 days, not 7. Okay, now if you wanted to understand all of this, you'd have to go through and you could see that, I've had quite a lot of hits at this particular one. But if you want to know exactly how many, what it's done now, instead of having to copy and highlight all of this, Martin has created this button. Okay, so let's go now up to the analyzer. So we click on this link next and it brings us to the analyzer, and what we can do then is paste that information in there. So it's made it a lot easier. Now you can actually do a specific day of when you did some promoting. If you did some heavy promoting on a specific day, you can just look at that data. But if you leave that blank and just click generate the stats, then you will see this graph here. Okay, so you can see by looking at these different numbers which of the traffic programs you are getting the best result from. So let's just say with that one, I wouldn't use that one. Okay, you can, it's up to you. Maybe you just use that just to try it. Okay, we don't know what this is, and we don't know what this is. I've never been able to sort it out, but it doesn't matter. Okay, but you can see here that the best place is 600 harvest traffic. That's because that's a traffic co-op. So just by using that traffic co-op, it possibly would be shown in all of these different programs anyway. No, that's the nature of traffic co-ops. But you can see this one, I would definitely use this one. And I would definitely use this one and this one. And I would use this one and this one. The double figures, that's what you want to use. And there's one up here as well, actual hits for you. But all the ones with one, I probably wouldn't use them. Okay, so that's how you use the Stat Analyzer. So there we have it, and this is the video that you're looking at right now. So thanks for listening. Bye for now. Any questions, or if you want to add any more, like a range of dates or anything like that, then just let us know, and we can get on to that. Martin enjoys putting these things together. He loves solving the puzzles just for you. And so do I, to a point. Yeah. So let us know what your needs are and we can put something together, no doubt. So bye for now. And please comment on the video if it's too difficult or if it's easy enough to use, anything like that. Please comment.